In this video, I will guide you on how to change language in Claude. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Claude application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now the first method is you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the profile icon over here. Now scroll down and get to the speech language option. From here, go ahead and select your preferred one. Now you want to wait for Claude interface to automatically update to the selected language. Now the next method is update the speech and conversation language. For that, you can type in a direct prompt over here. You can ask Claude to respond in a different language. And as you can see, the language of Claude has been changed. In this way, you can easily change a language on Claude AI. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.